Here's what I'm working on. I need some advice from my friends out there. Now these lower panels, they're called valance panels or some kind of thing like that, where it says NOS. Now if you notice when I go backwards just a tiny bit, how the valance panel does not stick up into the blue like it should. I've had this problem forever. I've tried Velcro, I've tried springs, I've tried, what else did I try? Oh, I've tried different things. And I can get the panel to fit on here and look good when I start driving it, but the rattling will make it come loose. Now the deal is I don't want to put any screws in this $75 piece of plastic or this other side right here. And this one comes down a little bit. Now it looks like an easy fit problem. It's not. Because when you put in the bottom, they're called side skirts. When you put them in, you've got to put them in from right here, and then here, and here, and here, all the way up to the end. And it looks Mickey Mouse, it looks unprofessional, it looks like some stupid kid did it. And I need some advice out there from my friends. If you have any idea how to get these to stick better. Now, what I will say is that these are the original back plastics. They're 25 years old. They are broken in some places. Especially, they might be broken where the tab fits. But I want to be able to put these, hold them up in there without putting any screws in them or damaging them. And like I said, I got a spare pair over here. And to my good buddies out there, not no, I won't sell them. It's hell no, I won't sell these. These are the bottom panels right here. Okay, they were sent to me by accident because I ordered the top plastics right here, and they sent me these because the directions weren't that good. The top plastics are like $200 for the set, and the bottoms are 75 bucks. So then what I did was I went on YouTube a few years ago, and there are parts in these bikes, and like all bikes, are very hard to find. They don't come up for auction, don't come up for anything, or if they do, you only see one of them. This guy sold me like 2 of these for 20 bucks. And they're chewed up a little bit. This kind of chewed up. But they're really in excellent shape for my purposes. And I got a match set here. So if anyone out there knows how to make this work, let me know. Alright, now to the front radiator, I've tried some new things. I've taken these off, which are nice, but the problem I came across is that if I need to take the radiator off, this hose holds everything down and I can't make it work right. So I'm going to get it all put in with these. Then I'm going to mold some windscreens and use 2 pieces on here and up here. And it's actually working pretty good. It's holding it in place well. It fits under the panel, the windscreen, which is this, and my battery's going dead. And I'm really having fun doing this. So if any of you geniuses, especially from Hawaii, I've seen some bikes over there. I wouldn't even take a picture of my bike over there because I'd be laughed off the islands. They'd put a clown head on me and put me in a rubber dinghy and say, hey, get the hell out of here, Hallie, go back to the mainland. They got such nice bikes over there. Anyway, thank you.